Racing just is started. We have Gabo. Very quick little start, moving upon the outside is Market Value Valley. Alea, Storm Gas Money Queen is down on the inside, while Big Bang Bong is the early trail. And as they swing down the back, we have Gabo. Biora held down on the inside is Storm Gas. 4 lengths further back in third comes Market Value. Ale is on the outside, Pip. Down on the inside is Money Queen. While entry number 2, Big Bang Bong, is still racing in last. Inside the 3 Octavo, we have Gabo. Biora length, any hop, any insect, any Storm Gas. Into this Money Queen, and on the side is Market Value. Then next on is Ale, while Big Bang Bong is still running at the tail of the field. And Diana when entering the home stretch, we have Gabo now by about 6 lengths. And in second, Storm Gas. Moving up on the outside is Market Value, Money Queen. Last 100 meters, we have Gabo now racing away by about 8 lengths over Market Value. Money Queen is on the outside, and finally Gabo. Second is Money Queen, Market Value. Then comes Storm Gas, Ale, and Big Bang Bong.
Masyado lang na magaling yung nakakalaban. Gabo, nakita mo naman, di ba? Kayang-kaya yung laban.